Cook exceptionally juicy and tasty dishes using hot air humid. This innovative function retains the humidity and therefore also the flavors of the food being cooked. You can use this function in a variety of ways. For example, for serving a wonderfully fragrant stew, for a delicious ratatouille, and even for a creamy gratin with a golden brown crust. And also for fluffy cakes that are sure to conjure up fond childhood memories with their aromas. Discover the benefits of this useful function. For many dishes, you can even mix all the ingredients together, saving preparation time. Then you can just slide the uncovered dish into the oven. With this function, the cooking space hardly allows any of the evaporated moisture to escape, creating a juicy, delicious result. You don't need any oil, and also save time, as you don't need to saute in the pan or constantly stir anything. The function is also perfect for delicious tray-baked cakes and other baked goods. Here too, the inherent moisture is retained and creates the perfect result. Juicy and delicious stews and no more dry cakes. Hot air humid makes it easy.